And still on energy matters, where Kenya has enough energy to power electric mobility in domestic, commercial and private transport. State Department of Energy Assistant Director Erick Apunda says partnership between the private and public sectors will drive investment in renewable energy projects, installations of a charging infrastructure and investment in electric mobility.
As of June 2025, the Ministry of Energy figures indicate that the total installed electricity capacity at the time was approximately 3,840 megawatts. It is for this reason that the government now affirms that there is sufficient energy capacity to support current and near-future electric mobility demand.
Our country is uniquely positioned to power the next chapter in the electric mobility. This clean energy surplus gives us a confidence that Kenya can support the widespread deployment of electric vehicle charging infrastructure.
Indeed, we expect a few more power stations at Menengai Crater and Olkaria Geothermal to push into the national grid. So it is a yes in terms of corporate total local power production.
Currently, the number of registered electric vehicles, according to the National Transport and Safety Authority, stands at 9,047, up from 2,694 in 2023. But experts say the growth can still happen in tandem with internal combustion engine vehicles, since certain incentives still lack in the sector.
Policy is always important. I think when you have a strong policy that is encouraging investment, that is encouraging technology adoption, that is encouraging growth, and also then you have the infrastructure to support it, that's when this industry will explode.
The key factors, and if you look at any country where EV has taken a pace, has been government policy. Because without government supporting the industry, knowing that the ICE or the engine combustion industry is already taken root.
These revelations were happening at the Africa Electric Mobility Motor Show, being held in Kenya for the first time, even as players call for rapid expansion of charging infrastructure to drive adoption. High mobility adoption is projected to increase in Kenya's total electricity demand by 2.7 to 3.9 times by 2040. According to the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority simulations, it is set to consume 4.9776 gigawatt hours from 9.79 gigawatt hours currently.
You might have seen the proliferation of two-wheelers and three-wheelers in electric mobility, even small saloon cars or commercial buses like this one. But does this mean that investors and individuals are finally adopting electric mobility in masses in this country? Alan Auko, Prime Edition.